Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. A couple of days ago I did a poll on Facebook asking what we should cook next on the Ninja Woodfire. The options were beef short ribs, brisket, 6-hour dehydrated roast beef, or option of your choice. And the winner was the dehydrated roast beef. This is a 1 kilo beef roasting joint. I am going to leave the net on this because I do think it's a rolled piece and it's things, so I don't want it to fall apart. All we're going to do is take some of Dutchy's spog. I'll put a link above for this. We're going to give it a good covering. I've got good covering on that, a baking tray. We've got some onion, some boiling water in the bottom of here, and a trivet. I'm just going to place this on there. I'm just going to pop in 1 cup of Traeger signature pellets. There we go. Lid shut. So we're going to be running on Dehydrate. We've got 60 degrees C, we've got 6 hours on it. We're going to add some Woodfire technology and start. Forgot to mention we're going to be using the Meter Plus to monitor this cook. So our beef joint is at 50 degrees. This took 3 3/4 hours. So we're going to remove this now from the Ninja. We're going to get that netting off. We're going to set the grill to grill, high heat, get the plancha on and give it a reverse sear. Put that in there already. Just going to add some veg oil to the plancha to do this reverse sear. I've got a double thickness of foil here. All we're going to do is wrap this beef up, make it nice and tight. And then all we're going to do then is pop it into a towel and we're going to rest this beef for 1 hour. Okay, so while our beef's resting, we're going to make some Yorkshire pudding batter mix. For this I've got 70 grams of plain flour, 2 eggs, 100 ml of milk, We're now going to set the Ninja to roast, 180 degrees C, and we're going to put about 45 minutes on the timer. We're going to pop our silicone mat in, protect the grill plate. These little cast iron skillets have been on the stove top warming up. They've got some veg oil in. We're going to add our batter mix. And at this point I should have stopped because I overfilled this one. So I think it's about time we had a bit of a taste. It certainly is moist. Let's go. Tastes like there's a bit of a smoke on the outside of there. I wouldn't say it's the most tenderest cut of beef I've ever had, but it's not bad. There we have it. That's Dutchy's dehydrated roast beef cooked in the Ninja Woodfire, served on a full roast dinner.